Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your own custom theme on the Discord app. Right, so the first thing to do, on your web browser, search for the Better Discord app. If you're using Google like myself, you should find that it will be the first one at the very top. For this video, I'm going to assume you have already installed Better Discord previously. If you haven't, I will leave a link in the description to a previous video we've done before on how to do this. Now that you're on the Better Discord webpage, click on the Themes tab at the top. Here you will see a load of different themes which you can select and download. Have a look through, see what takes your fancy. Once you've selected one, just hit download. Just a quick reminder before we go on, if you are enjoying this video and enjoy the content on the channel, please do consider liking and subscribing. Now that you've downloaded a theme that you like, you just need to open the Discord app, go to the gear icon in the bottom left hand side, which is your user settings, and scroll down to themes underneath the Better Discord tab. Once you're there, you just need to go up to the top, click on Open Themes folder. You will also need to open your downloads folder. Once you've done that and got them side by side, just click and drag the theme you've just downloaded into your themes folder, then close both open folders. Now you will see the theme that you just downloaded is available to toggle on and off when it suits on your Discord server. Right, so that concludes today's video on how to get your own custom theme on the Discord app. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.